I'm Jeffrey Verdon, and I'm a tax lawyer. And I've been coming to investment conferences like this for 25 years, and I give you the tax planning perspective to lay over top of your investment philosophy so you can get the best of both worlds. And I talked about several important strategies today, very briefly, which I'm going to go over in more detail this afternoon. I have a law firm in Newport Beach. I've been practicing law over 30 years. I have a master's in taxation, and all we do is represent affluent families and business owners and help them grow their net worth using the tax code. It's not noble work, but we're quite good at it. So I hope when you leave here today, you will have learned about strategies that if your lawyers or tax advisors do these sort of things, you would have already heard about it. And that's why you come to these conferences. Now, ladies, before I get started, I have written a book, and it's on its second update, called Estate Planning for Women Only. And I do this Estate Planning for Women Only No Men Allowed workshop on the cruises that I do. I'm going on Mark Skousen's cruise next week to Vietnam, and I do a workshop just for the women. The men can't come. And when you get the women in the room and they start talking about the things that worry them when the husbands aren't there, we really do get some proactive activity and lots of discussion. So I have this book at my booth. It's only $10. The money gets donated to the Wounded Warriors Foundation. But ladies, if you think you know about estate planning, if you want to learn about some of the more sophisticated, important things that you're going to know, because you're going to live longer than your husbands in 9 out of 10 marriages, I would encourage you to pick this up. Okay, the 3 must-have strategies for 2014. As I mentioned this morning, I'm going to talk to you about private placement life insurance, tax-efficient portfolio management. I know most of you, when you hear the term life insurance, you totally tune out. Now, I don't know why that is, but if you're a tax attorney, life insurance and annuities is the one area of the tax code that is absolutely inviolate and provides the greatest tax planning opportunities that we have, and yet very few people know about it. So let me walk you through what private placement life insurance is and how you, if you qualify and if you're the right individual, can convert your taxable investment income into tax-free income just by wrapping it inside of a life insurance policy or an annuity. Then I want to talk to you about, again, another subject involving life insurance, premium financing. Now, I was stunned this morning when I asked for a show of hands, how many of you have life insurance policies in the room? And only a few of you raised your hands.